7 signs dehydration is making you sick. What if protecting your health started with something incredibly simple? A habit anyone can do, something most people overlook every single day. The truth is, many of the symptoms people call sickness, headaches, fatigue, brain fog, digestive trouble, may actually begin with something much simpler: not enough water. When the body doesn't receive enough water, it begins sending warning signals. Today, we're going to look at 7 signs dehydration may be making you sick. Some of these signs are obvious, but a few of them might surprise you. Let's start with sign number 1. Sign 1. Constant fatigue. If you feel tired most of the day, dehydration may be playing a role. Your body depends on water to carry nutrients to cells and remove waste from the body. When you don't drink enough water, your body has to work harder to perform basic functions. The result? Low energy, sluggishness, and constant fatigue. Many people reach for coffee when they feel tired, but sometimes the body isn't asking for caffeine, it's asking for water. Sign 2. Headaches. Headaches are one of the most common warning signs of dehydration. The brain relies heavily on proper hydration to function well. When the body loses too much water, blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain can be affected. This can trigger headaches or migraines. Before reaching for medication, sometimes the first step should be simple. Drink a glass of water and give your body the hydration it needs. Sign 3. Brain fog and poor concentration. Have you ever tried to focus and your mind just feels cloudy? Even mild dehydration can affect memory, focus, and mental clarity. When the brain doesn't receive enough water, it struggles to function at its best. This can lead to trouble concentrating, forgetfulness, and what many people call brain fog. And the next few signs are the ones many people never connect to dehydration. Sign 4. Digestive problems. Water plays a critical role in digestion. Your body uses water to break down food and move it through the digestive system. When you don't drink enough water, digestion can slow down. This may lead to discomfort, bloating, or constipation. Sometimes the digestive system isn't malfunctioning, it's simply running low on water. Sign 5. Dry skin and dry eyes. Your skin is one of the largest organs in your body. Healthy skin depends on proper hydration. When the body becomes dehydrated, the skin may appear dry, dull, or less elastic. Your eyes may also feel irritated or dry. Many people spend money on lotions and creams, but healthy skin often begins with healthy hydration from within. Sign 6. Joint pain and stiffness. Your joints rely on fluid for smooth movement. Water helps maintain the lubrication that cushions joints and allows them to move freely. When dehydration occurs, joints can become stiff and uncomfortable. Many people assume joint discomfort is simply part of getting older, but sometimes the body is simply lacking the water it needs to function properly. Sign 7. Constant cravings. And this final sign surprises many people. Sometimes when you feel hungry, your body is actually thirsty. The brain sends similar signals for hunger and thirst. This can lead people to eat more food when their body really needs water. Next time you feel a craving, try drinking a glass of water and waiting a few minutes. You may discover that what your body needed all along was hydration. Most people don't consider it, but the human body was designed to function with water. When we don't drink enough, the body begins sending signals that something is wrong. Fatigue, headaches, brain fog, digestive trouble, joint pain, cravings. Sometimes these symptoms aren't the beginning of disease. Sometimes they are simply the body's cry for water. If this topic interests you, I've created a guided water challenge that helps people build healthy hydration habits step by step. You can find more information in the description below. Sometimes the first step toward better health is also the simplest. Start with water.